Alright, this is a white 52-inch unknown Harbor Breeze ceiling fan at my aunt and uncle's house, and this is in the kitchen. It's an old one. The blades are a little dirty, and they're a little loose. So, yeah, the blades are a little loose, but they still run, it just runs fine. Here, I already have it turned on, the switch is over there, so I don't want to get down there, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the fan. It's got these bulbs here. Here's the globes. See where the reverse. Oh, there's the reverse switch. Now I'm going to show you the fan. I'm going to start on low. Get down so I can leave the light on for this. There's the light. This one's high up, so I gotta be careful with this. Very low. I don't know the brand of this. I don't know the model of this fan, but it's a Harbor Breeze. That's low. That's just on the tippy toes. That's low. Here's medium. There we go. Look at over here. It's a really nice fan. It's got good globes. It does. All right, that's medium, and here's high. There we go, and there's high. Ooh, that feels good. Go ahead, and there's high, and that's the ceiling fan. Turn that. And there you go, that's the fan. I gotta be careful. Back to medium. Blade. And then back to low. Here's the globes. Really nice. Turn it to off. Alright, there you go. That's the fan here. There's the fan. This has been a Harbor Breeze 52-inch, a white, unknown ceiling fan. Until then, thanks for watching. Until then, that's it.